I'm Dr. Joe Clark. I'm a hand surgeon here at the Orthopedic Center, TOC in Huntsville, Alabama. We take care of hand problems in Huntsville and the surrounding areas, and I've been here doing this for about 30 years. Trigger finger is a common affliction of the hand, and there's some swelling of the tendon, and it gets caught on the pulley system. And basically what happens is when people make a fist, their finger will lock, and it'll look something like that. And they'll either have to release it on their own or actually push it to release it, and it can be quite painful. Most of the time we don't know what causes trigger finger. Sometimes it can have a traumatic origin. Sometimes it's associated with other medical conditions such as diabetes. There's much higher incidence of trigger finger in diabetics and people with thyroid disease. But we think it has to do with swelling of the tendons, and it gets caught on the pulley in the palm of the hand. The first symptom that people will present with trigger finger is pain. They'll have pain over the palmar aspect of the digit, and at first they'll have difficulty moving it, and then sometimes when they make a tight fist, it will lock again, and it will catch and make a pop when it releases. And it can, sometimes it's painful and sometimes it's not, but mostly pain is the hallmark of it over the flexor tendon sheath, and then secondary the locking of it. The treatment of trigger finger can be observation. Sometimes they'll get better on their own. If it doesn't respond with that, then we can use a steroid injection. And basically we numb up the skin and inject the steroid around the tendon sheath. The success rate with that's about 60 to 70% of the time. That makes the trigger finger better. And if it fails to respond to that, then an operation can be done. It's usually done under regional anesthesia. We just put your hand to sleep. We make a small incision and release the pulley, and that works better 95% of the time. If you think you have trigger finger, please call the TOC in Huntsville, Alabama, and I'll be happy to see you for your trigger finger.